Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Carly Stevens. I'm the author of the Tanyuan Academy series, and this is English Nerd. So today kicks off the first of the NaNoWriMo WIP List, as I'm calling them, WIP Work in Progress. So for those of you who are participating in NaNoWriMo, this list is for you, as are all of the others. So I figured we would just kick things off with a smattering of story ideas. So if you did not do Preptober and now you're starting at the beginning of November with no ideas about what to write about, here are just a few ideas to kick off the month right. The hero falls in love with the villain. Choose a color and base the entire aesthetic of the story on that. Nothing goes as expected at the circus performance. No one else would remember their sacrifice, but they would. There's a secret backstory to one of your favorite pieces of art. What is it? Write about someone who hates something that you love. The main character finds out that they are part of a highly classified experiment. Talk about a famous event from the point of view of a really minor player. Saving the world comes down to one girl and her animal companion. Invent a food. What is it called and why is it important now? Make a nursery rhyme the key to everything. They're the chosen one, but they've been chosen by the villain. Write the story backwards, starting from the big reveal. While doing research for a project, the main character comes across a picture of themselves. Write a ghost story from the perspective of the ghost. I hope that one of these stories sparked something in you. I hope you're feeling more creative and inspired. So go forth, work on your story, and I will be back tomorrow with another WIP list. All right, make sure to subscribe, get those notifications because I will be putting these out one every day of November. And yeah, I will see you very soon.